The Right Spinal Clinic Primary Care and Laboratory Services. The Right Spinal Clinic provides primary care and laboratory services. Our physicians and healthcare team have a wealth of experience in specific patient care needs, including prevention, health maintenance, and acute or chronic care. Our goal is to provide you with outstanding primary care so you can stay on track with your health and fitness journey. At the Right Spinal Clinic, we help you maximize the healthcare system to your benefit. Why is having a primary care physician important? Your primary care physician will review your medical history, monitor your medical condition, coordinate your care, and refer you to reputable specialists, detect health issues early, provide quality medical service at a lower cost. The Right Spinal Clinic's primary care and laboratory services include general health checkup, physical exam or DOT, nutritional support, COVID-19 testing, phlebotomy, electrocardiogram, drug testing, and more. At the Right Spinal Clinic, your health is our biggest priority. Call us now and schedule an appointment.